So in this lecture, we will first talk about what is JavaScript, history of JavaScript, then we will talk about ECMAScript, and then we will talk about what is ES6. So before we getting late, let's get started. So we will first take a look what is JavaScript. If I want to simply describe JavaScript, then I will say JavaScript is a client-side scripting language that execute on your browser. JavaScript essentially used to make your page alive. Using JavaScript, you can capture event, create animations, validating the user input, and much more. But as I said, the present JavaScript not only runs on client browser but also on the server. Node.js is one of the most amazing example of server-side JavaScript language. There is tons of framework that scripted in the JavaScript language. Using JavaScript, you can do anything if you have a power of imagination. Anyway, let's talk about history of JavaScript. JavaScript was developed by Brendan Eich in 1995. He is a developer in Netscape Communication Corporation in 1995. JavaScript started his life with the name Mocha and was concisely named LiveScript. In 1995, LiveScript officially renamed to JavaScript with Netscape Navigator release. Java was very popular language at that time, so to tie success, LiveScript renamed to JavaScript. Now, let's talk about what is ECMAScript. ECMA stands for European Computer Manufacturer Association, the non-profit private international standard organization. In 1996, Netscape announced that he had submitted JavaScript to ECMA. So, ECMA International published the first edition of ECMA 26 specification. So the relation between ECMA specification called ECMAScript. JavaScript is just the implementation of ECMAScript, so get that into account. Now let's talk about what is ES6. ES6 is ECMAScript 6. ES6 is the update of ECMAScript 5, you can also call as ES5, which was standardized in 2009. ES6 was published on June 2015. At this time, this is the latest version, and we are making all the tutorials on the latest version. By investing your time in learning it now, you will be prepared for the future. That's it. Now your theory is completed. You know the basic of JavaScript now. You know what is JavaScript, history of JavaScript, what is ECMAScript, and what is ES6. That is all for this tutorial. We will see you in the next lecture.